Good morning, everybody. Myself Pranjal Pratim Das, and today I am reciting a poem written by Lamyaa Hanchaoui. The title of the poem is Don't Give Up. Don't give up. Don't give in. There is always an answer to everything. This, my friend, is for you. The trials that you face and the dreams that you chase. You're behind in your race and you are straying from your pace. Your mind is scattered all over the place and you are desperate for space. Little did he know, this is your time to embrace. Don't give up. Don't give in. There is always an answer to everything. We tend to hide what's inside and waste time on what could have been, yet isn't the key to believe in our own identity. Your past brought you here. This is where it all begins. Don't give up. Don't give in. There is always an answer to everything. So don't sit hour after hour while your tribulations tower. Don't forget the countless blessings of which you have been showered. Find your strengths and your powers to rise above the cowards. Be like the flowers that give up its scent when it's crushed and devoured. Don't give up. Don't give in. There is always an answer to everything. And yes, life can be quite a mystery, and the key to success doesn't come free. And if you believe that this is all decreed, then what will be, will be. But your efforts won't be fruitless. Don't ever think you are useless. We all serve a purpose. So please, don't feel hopeless. Don't give up. Don't give in. There is always an answer to everything. Thank you.